Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. It's another football Saturday and it's time for some tailgate. This is a classic, at least it is here in the South. And so I've got some hot Jimmy Dean sausage, the spicy one, but if your family doesn't like spicy, then you go ahead and just use the regular breakfast sausage. It's 1 pound. And to that I'm going to add 2 8-ounce blocks of some cream cheese to that, and this is semi-room temperature, and so I'm going to just mix this in really well, and when it gets all melted in we will be back. Okay, the cream cheese is melted. I have my heat on low, and now I've got a can of HOT Rotel, which is diced tomatoes with habaneros. But you can use regular Rotel if you don't want to use the hot. Or you can, and also people put frozen corn, like sweet corn, into this. I know my daughter does, it's really good. There's never ever any left over. So you can adjust how many tomatoes you want, more, less. And that is as easy as it is. You can add a can of green chilies. You can add a can of sliced black olives. Just be creative, whatever your family and friend group like. And so that is as easy as it is. And you serve it with your corn chips or Jana's homemade flour tortillas. Look at that recipe. That is so good. They're so crispy and so delicious, and everybody loves them. So if you make my homemade flour tortilla chips, you had better make extra because everybody eats them first. So thank you for stopping by my kitchen. Yum.